There are so many gadgets and tech products on Alibaba. Some of them are cool, some of them are useless, and some of them are really expensive. But it is good to note that not every expensive gadget is good. Similarly, not every cheap gadget is bad. We've compiled a list of some of the best gadgets on Alibaba. Novium Hoverpen 2.0. With a soft, ergonomic finish, Hoverpen 2.0 feels like satin in the hand. Soft and gentle to the touch, our latest Hoverpen was designed to make long, strenuous writing sessions feel light and enjoyable. Hoverpen 2.0's curved lines are not only visually stunning, they sit right along the hollow of your hand, making for a more pleasurable writing experience. At Novium, we're obsessed with magnetism. It's why we even made the cap of the Hoverpen 2.0 magnetically snap into place. Just holding the pen a small distance from the lid is enough for the cap to get sucked onto the pen. EILIKS Survival Gear Kit. Cool new fun gadget for men, husband, him, dad, boyfriend, teen Boy Scouts. A nice gift for man and boys who's interested in adventure or family who is preparing for camping or hiking or Boy Scouts. It is a multi-tool kit perfect for your car, backpack, office, ship. Manual survival paracord bracelet, wire saw, water bottle clip, and box. Cool gadget gifts for men. Birthday's top best gifts for men, women, him, father, best friend, brother, hunter, and who has everything. SoundBot SB210 HD Stereo Bluetooth 4.1 Wireless Smart Headphone Speaker Hat. A Bluetooth-powered beanie head warmer, which is connectable to all A2DP-enabled devices, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, PCs, digital media players, and so on. A highly effective connectivity range is up to 10 meters, 33 feet, with good rechargeable battery performance. This lasts a long time, up to 5 hours of audio playback and 60 hours of standby time. Comes with a simple button interface for quick call control and media control/playback. Enables calling with built-in microphone and crystal clear sound technology. JB Tune 125 TWS True Wireless In-Ear Headphones. Wireless AirPods and earbuds generally offer long-term, convenient listening for just a small period of charging. You can listen to these earbuds all day and night and obtain a full charge. Maintain your private concert for as long as you can with great stereo-based sound. With a simple swipe, your earphones are connected to your Android device as soon as you remove them from the case. Any additional device can be recognized after pairing, even if it's not paired. The versatility of Dual Connect on both ears allows you to listen to music or make calls with either one or both buds. WGP Bluetooth Glasses. Smart Bluetooth glasses allow you to keep aware of your surroundings while listening to music or playing games with great sound quality. Construct Bluetooth audio eyewear by updating frontline chips, headsets, and loudspeaker to successfully reduce phone noise and restore fidelity. Professional performance in terms of water and sweat resistance. In collaboration with Precise Technology, it has a waterproof rating of up to IP67. Splashes of water and perspiration are effectively avoided. More long-term endurance due to increased power due to its said dual large-capacity batteries built in, 220 mAh. SAFEBAO LED Light-Up Glasses. LED light-up glasses with 7 single-color and mixed modes. You can choose your favorite color to light up your life. Amazing LED glasses, you will stand out in parties, catch people's eyes, and get lots of compliments. You will be a party queen/focus. Our glowing glasses are perfect for club, bar, party, concert, festivals, cosplay, and so on. And it is also the best gift/present for Christmas, Halloween, birthday, anniversary, some special day, or some other festivals. Hagibis Cleaning Pen for AirPods Pro 1-2. Hagibis 3-in-1 Earphone Cleaning Kit with flocking sponge, high-density brush, and metal pen tip, dual-head hidden design to meet a variety of cleaning needs. Delicate and soft flocking sponge can clean the dust in the wireless charging case of the earphones. High-density brush easily clean the dirt on the sound outlet hole of the earphone and other parts. Laptop backpack for unisex, Tzowla. This houses all your gadgets and tech accessories within dimensions which are 20 by 11.8 by 5.5 inches. Multiple divider compartments make it simple to carry a 15.6-inch laptop, a water bottle, a book, and a variety of other goods. Phone, pad, diary, pens, and pencils. One large packing compartment with plenty of storage for everyday essentials and tech equipment accessories. Youutech wireless charger. The fast wireless charger only needs one cable and no need to have multiple plugs or cables. A stand that has the Apple Watch charger built in. This one slim, convenient charging pad can charge your phone, watch, and Airpods at one time. They all charge super fast, the phone charged in less than 3 hours. Pico self-watering planter garden. Growing plants can be difficult. Perhaps the climate where you live is not quite right, or perhaps you find yourself too busy to keep up with maintenance. This is where Pico by Altifarm can help out immensely. Pico does all the hard work for you. It really is a garden made fun and easy. The Pico Palm Garden is a self-watering plant pot that also boasts built-in grow lamps. Pico does what's best for your plants, ensuring they get all the love they need. Zendure Passport 2 Pro Travel Adapter. Zendure, a company known for its rugged power banks and innovative travel adapters, has come up with a new product. It is a successor of the Passport Pro travel adapter, but with a ton of added features. Meet Zendure Passport 2 Pro, the best universal travel adapter on the market. You'll know why it is the best as you go through this post. GIGA pump, small, powerful, portable pump. Well, what do I say about this mini air bomb? This gadget is definitely going to be super useful. GIGA pump is a small yet powerful air pump that is a solution to all your inflatables. I know there are hundreds of air pumps on the market, but what makes it so special is its size. It's as small as your charging adapter and can be carried anywhere. It can blow as well as remove air from an inflatable. You need not hold it, just attach it to inflatables and it does everything. Sphero Specdrums, music rings with playpad. Sphero has a range of cool gadgets for kids, but this one looks great for not only kids, but also music lovers. Meet Sphero Specdrums, a cool music accessory that you can wear. Specdrums are nothing but rings that you can wear. Unlike other rings, these connect to your smartphone and detect color. Adonit Snap 2 Stylus for smartphones. Presenting one more unique and useful gadget for your smartphone, this cool gadget is specially made for iPhone users. Let us know more about Adonit Snap 2 Stylus. Snap 2 combines the precision of a fine-point stylus with a Bluetooth camera shutter remote to create the ultimate creative tool for iPhone users. Draw, doodle, and write on your phone with precision. Elevate your storytelling on Snapchat and Instagram.